Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we're looking at a 2022 Bayliner VR4. This 18-foot boat is equipped with the stainless steel package, which is an upgrade, and a C-deck swim platform on back. Also with the stainless steel swim ladder. This boat is powered by a 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser IO, producing about 200 horsepower. Moving into the cockpit of this Bayliner, you'll see the Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, the analog miles per hour, fuel gauge, voltmeter, analog trim tab, depth tachometer, oil pressure, temperature, and all of your lighting, navigation, horn, and accessory switches. As you can see, the C-deck flooring is throughout, with a big bow rider section. Plenty of stainless steel cup holders, grab rails, and plenty of storage underneath the port, starboard, and center cushions. This Bayliner is available at SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin for $42,719. Come by and check us out.